àwọn míì tí wọ́n ti disturb kò sí kan tí ìlú ò lè play àwa gan à ń play minor lọ súnmọ́ lọ́wọ́ àmọ́ wọn gbọ́ pa àmọ́. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Iyanuapala, also known as Iyanuapala. On today's episode, we're going to be talking about Solfa notes, how you can get your desired tones on talking drum when you're playing. Say that you're playing or way you are playing and you are playing. There are some little causes that happens when you don't get your desired tone on talking drum. Some simple little things that I will kilo dating me get cleaning. To be sincere, it might be funny. Sometimes it might be your drum. Sometimes it might be your drum face. Sometimes it might be you yourself. Sometimes it might be your drum size. Sometimes it might be the position. For example, there was a day I saw one guy. He's a very short guy. Sorry, any shorties in the house. All the size two. Came up below. He was using this size, I think size 6 or size 6 and a half to the drum. Ó wá gbé ìṣèṣe ìlú ó wá ṣe báyìí, ó wá ga sókè. Láti wá ìlú yẹn gan wá ká ọwọ́ ẹ̀gàn wá ká ìlú yẹn. He was trying hard just to play that drum because the drum was too big for him. So ẹ sọ fún mi ṣé ẹ ló fẹ́ play èdò tó fẹ́ play ẹ̀ tán tó fẹ́ play gbogbo ẹ̀ tán. Gbẹ̀yìn àwọn olówó ló máa ń pe wọ́n play lọ súnmọ́ lọ́wọ́ àmọ́. Torí ọwọ́ ò délẹ̀ tán. When you want to play the super notes, I'm talking for example, this see. Abi for example. But do you know you can play all those notes on the top, all notes. When you are able to handle your drum very well, not you, the way you place your drum sometimes your firmness on the drum depends on how you can play all the super notes on it. You can try it. Kò sí kan tí ìlú ò lè play àwa gan à ń play minor à ń play gbogbo ẹ̀. So there is nothing that you can't play once you undo your talking very well. Please just try and practice with it. There is no note you can't play your talking drum. In as much you handle it very well and you just try and master it. Try it. It's not that you didn't do any other ways. You are a professional too. You can do it. There's no one that can do it. Even if you're just starting, just try it. That is just the 3 notes, have you? We want to do the whole note. There's an octave that is very high. I just play the high octave. Whatever that's said. So when you are playing your super notes, always make sure the position of your drum, the size of your drum, and your own, the way you play it. You ever please when you are playing some your beats, come at tune. Try and know the notes very well. Not I know you're just starting, but when you get to some stage, always try because there are people even when they start with this they keep on wọ́n á ti lè mọ àlùjọ bí márùn-ún báyìí wọ́n sì good wọn gbọ́ páàmù. So please always make sure your notes are very very clean. There's no that one. See that one and this. Like something, but the cleanness of that first one, the cleanness of what you are playing, and is very very important when you are playing. Very very important. Your tuning on talking drum. Your tuning. For example, this old distance. This old. I think you can learn it. You can when the keyboardists are trying to play. If you play the wrong key on keyboard, they say you flat. So likewise with talking drummers too. Learn not to flat like the keyboardist, like the guitarists, like the bassists. Every kind of flat. There's nothing like lọ súnmọ́ lọ́wọ́ àmọ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n gidigidigidi ló jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ jọ every kind of ẹ kọ́ máa sọ fún wa náà pa wa náà at least come on ẹjọ. So please just learn how to play your sofa notes very well and learn how to play your tune when you are playing. It's very important. So all these things I'm playing with you, it's just because I rehearse it too. So because you can sit down, you rehearse with this, you play. And note these are all what you did and the way you handle it. Very, very important. The way you handle it and the way you play it. And once your ear is tuned, I mean if you want it is tuned, what it is tuned is pé do no play but létí wọn is store. I believe with this one or two things I have told you, you'll be able to pick some things there just for you to know how to tune your talking drum and to play your full sofa notes on talking drum. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do and share with your friends. I love you all. See you next time.